Hey everyone, take a look at the Armerboard 65-inch smart board. This stunning 4K UHD touchscreen transforms how you collaborate in offices and classrooms. It features a powerful dual system running Android 11 and Windows 10 with an Intel i5 processor. Enjoy smooth 20-point touch control and high writing accuracy for all your notes. You can wirelessly share screens from any device to boost meeting productivity. Built-in AI audio and far-field mics ensure crystal-clear sound for remote participants. Upgrade your workspace today with this all-in-one digital whiteboard solution. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.